What's up, fellas? It's a rainy Sunday. Not a lot going on for the first day in a while. The garage door on our house we bought is not closing like it should. Something's up with the optical sensors. So I'm gonna show y'all how to fix them, okay? Let's go check it out. Pretty easy indicator that something's wrong with the sensor. The only other thing it could be is the bump sensor on that garage door causing from doing that, but we already know what the problem is with this one. So as you can see, right down here is our sensors. This one's an easy diagnosis because, hello, got wires hanging out of the back of it. It's duct taped. Yeah, not too much to diagnose there. But these garage doors are pretty simple. I mean, this is self-explanatory to a point. As long as you have one reading yellow, this one here saying it's green, hands in the way. Yep. All right, this is the Craftsman kit. This pocket unboxes really fast. Got everything you need on there. All right, comes with both brackets for each side of the door, both optical sensors, and then the hardware to actually go through and mount the sensors to the bracket. These just kind of clip on your garage door. So we're just going ahead and cut somewhere right there. Let's just see what's under the tape. Yeah. I mean, what even happened? They look similar. It's different, very different, but I think it's gonna be the same thing. So let's go ahead and spin this off. Yeah. We put that screw in there, we'll take it off. Get it in here, and I'll just snug it up for now. We'll take some of this tag line off as well. Then we just want to separate these two wires, like so. Just kind of get them pulled apart with your fingernails, and here. Get it started. Well, kind of whooping me. All right, and these are just wire strippers. We don't want about, and we want about, I don't know, I hope you guys can see this, about that much exposed wire. So, yep. Cool. About like that. Got those shoved all the way down in there good. And just pinched. Do the same thing with the other side. Get all the way up in there. And just press it down. Like so. And let's see. On to going green here. Nothing changes. But over here, it's green. And the white. And then it's nice and good. Moment of truth. Oh, we're good now. Guys, it's about as simple as a fix as you can really do. That kit's fine. It works on this LiftMaster really good. It's a Craftsman kit. I about anybody can do that if you got the tools. I wouldn't use those little push clip connectors if it was me. I would probably wind them with, like, me being a mechanic, I'd probably solder them and shrink wrap them just to make it look good. But they're gonna do the job. I try to do that job with everything that comes in the kit for anybody that just goes and buys it off the shelf, just to replace those. And I feel confident any of you guys can do that. Yeah, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want me to do next. I've got a million things to fix in my house at all times. I'm just gonna keep filming it, posting it, helping you guys out, tackle these easy jobs that hopefully keep some cash in y'all's pocket. I appreciate y'all.